In a world where every second counts, your sidearm isn't just a tool, it's your last line of defense. And in 2025, compact handguns have entered a whole new era. Smarter, lighter, and deadlier than ever before. Whether you're a concealed carrier, a tactical professional, or someone who simply takes self-defense seriously, this list is for you. Today, we break down the top 10 best compact handguns for everyday carry in 2025. From optics-ready beasts to minimalist workhorses, we're talking performance, concealability, and real-world reliability. Before we lock and load, make sure to drop a like, sound off in the comments with your go-to EDC, and subscribe for more tactical reviews. Let's get into it. Number 10. The FN Reflex MRD. This compact 9mm pistol is changing the game for micro-compacts. With a 3.3-inch cold hammer-forged barrel and a slim frame that holds 11+1 or 15+1 rounds, the Reflex MRD is perfect for appendix carry, but still surprisingly shootable. What makes it stand out is its factory optics-ready slide. No milling, no gunsmithing. Just install your favorite micro red dot like the Shield RNSC or Holosun 507K and you're good to go. Add in a clean, flat-face trigger, aggressive grip texture, and deep slide serrations, and you've got a carry gun that feels custom-built. Compact, modern, and built for daily defense. Number 9. The Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0 Subcompact 2025 edition. This refreshed classic keeps everything shooters love about the M&P series, but brings it up to speed with modern EDC demands. It features a 3.66-inch barrel, a 12+1 or 15+1 capacity, and a factory-milled slide that accepts popular optics right out of the box. The grip texture has been reworked to be more carry-friendly without sacrificing control, and the enhanced trigger still delivers that smooth, clean break. With ambidextrous controls, forward slide serrations, and the reliability Smith & Wesson is known for, this is a true daily carry workhorse. Number 8. The Walther PDP F-Series Compact. Originally designed with smaller hands in mind, the F-Series has evolved into one of the most ergonomic carry pistols available. Chambered in 9mm with a 3.5-inch barrel and a 15+1 capacity, it offers a slim grip, light slide racking force, and Walther's legendary performance doobie trigger. It's also optics-ready with a robust, low-profile plate system and improved co-witness height. The result? A highly controllable red dot-friendly compact that feels custom-fitted right out of the box. If you want a gun that molds to you, not the other way around, this is it. Number 7. The Springfield Hellcat Pro OSP 2025 edition. Springfield took everything great about the original Hellcat and refined it. The result is a compact powerhouse with a 3.7-inch hammer-forged barrel and a 15+1 capacity. The OSP version includes a lower-profile optics, cut for faster dot acquisition and better co-witness, while the adaptive grip texture locks in under pressure without tearing up your skin or clothes. The flat-face trigger has been improved with a cleaner break and shorter reset, making this pistol one of the most shootable in its class. Compact, capable, and built for real-world EDC. Number 6. The Beretta 80X Cheetah Graphite Edition. Don't let the 380 ACP fool you. The 80X is elegant, retro-modern, and surprisingly effective for concealed carry. With a 13+1 capacity, DA/SA trigger system, and factory optics cut, this pistol brings Beretta's Italian craftsmanship into the modern EDC scene. The redesigned Vertex-style grip, skeletonized hammer, and DLC-coated internals all contribute to a smooth shooting experience with low recoil. It's ideal for shooters who want a stylish, compact firearm without sacrificing performance. Soft shooting, easy to carry, and hard to beat in the 380 category. Number 5. The Shadow Systems CR 920p Elite Ported Edition. This is where micro-compact meets high performance. The CR 920p Elite sports a 3.75-inch ported barrel that reduces muzzle rise for fast follow-up shots. Chambered in 9mm with a 13+1 capacity, it also features Shadow Systems' custom-molded frame, aggressive texturing, and an optics-ready slide. The flat-face trigger is one of the best in its class, and co-witness night sights come standard. Built for control, reliability, and speed, this pistol feels like a custom build, but fits in your waistband like a Glock 43X. Number 4. The Sig Sauer P365 Flex. Sig continues to push boundaries with the P365 Flex, a shape-shifting, ultra-concealable pistol that introduces their new flex frame technology. This polymer aluminum hybrid frame actually flexes slightly under recoil, reducing muzzle rise and improving control. With a 3.1-inch bull barrel and a 12+1 capacity, it's compact yet comfortable. The redesigned fire control unit adds precision, and the grip is optimized for deep concealment without compromising shootability. Innovative, soft shooting, and highly adaptable, the Flex lives up to its name. Number 3. The Canik Mete MC9 Elite. If you want maximum value, look no further. The MC9 Elite is a striker-fired compact pistol chambered in 9mm, featuring a 3.18-inch barrel and both 12+1 and 15+1 magazines included. It's optics-ready, comes with co-witness sights, and has one of the best stock triggers in any polymer gun. Period. The aggressive grip texture, undercut trigger guard, and extended beaver tail allow for a grip that feels like you're shooting something larger. It even ships with a holster and cleaning kit. Feature-packed, incredibly priced, and built to perform. Number 2. The CZ-P10S. A true micro-compact designed from the ground up, the CZ-P10S offers a 3.39-inch barrel, 12+1 capacity, and some of the best ergonomics in its class. The ultra-thin frame and low-profile slide make it perfect for deep concealment, while the clean braking trigger and excellent grip angle make it easy to shoot accurately. It comes standard with steel 3-dot sights, front and rear serrations, and ambidextrous controls. Though not optics ready out of the box, CZ offers a factory-milled version for those who want red dot capability. Durable, accurate, and highly concealable, this one hits the sweet spot. And finally, number 1. The Glock 43X MOS. Taking the crown for 2025 is the Glock 43X MOS, a pistol that blends simplicity, reliability, and modularity like no other. It's chambered in 9mm, with a 3.41-inch barrel and a 10+1 capacity. The MOS system allows you to easily mount a wide variety of micro red dots without aftermarket milling. The grip length fits most hand sizes perfectly. The slide serrations are sharp and functional, and Glock's safe action trigger is consistent and predictable. It's not flashy, but it's rock solid. For those who want to carry a gun that just works, rain or shine, appendix or strong side, the 43X MOS continues to be the go-to in 2025. And that wraps up the list, the top 10 best compact handguns for EDC in 2025, from military-grade innovation to budget-friendly excellence. Which one earns a spot on your belt? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned, because we've got more hard-hitting content coming your way. Until then, stay sharp, stay safe, and carry smart.